So today's production, doing an oil change on a wonderful car here. Where's my assistant? Assistant!
Amigo! Right there!
I don't even know where my assistant went.
Where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's ball we left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the spark in city light when it's day to night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart when it breaks so hard.
I gotta deal with Rockstar coming in whenever you want to come with. I gotta deal with Dante, I gotta deal with Randy, I gotta do everybody. Now I gotta deal with bad now. Huh? Buddies, what are you doing? What are you here for today, buddies? You gonna fix the car? Buddies, you gonna get me to fix your car? I'm not fixing your car, buddies.
You having trouble there, Randy?
No. But that's your oil. That's one again. That's another one again. So by this, you got good oil to put in your BMW. All right, my brother. So now where's Mr. Dentist? Dante, come here. I can't get you.
Wow. Fire feed that you from that sound like cocky.
Hello.
I can't
Wow.
you.
Fire feed that you from.
Lift now, lift.
I'm lifting. Yeah. Brothers.
I want a fuel pump, yeah?
Brothers.
Wow.
Whoosh.
Yeah, I want a
Fire
one.
feed that
We're
you
not
from.
putting that on there.
Whoosh. Whoosh.
1, 2, 3 cars, 1, 2, 3 cars, so I'm gonna still have space and I expect to work. You
Hey.
understand?
Very good, huh? No. So what about them too?
So, I'll change begin. Look at these guys.
No mishaps, please. Whatever you guys do, no mishaps. What is this recording? We don't want no mishaps. No, guys, no mishaps today, because then we don't need no lawsuit from bodies. You understand what I'm saying to you? So, no mishaps. We do what we do. Courtesy of bodies.com. Rush Entertainment of the Black Records, RMP Records, RMP Auto.
Stretch on the side.
Oh, shit.
Don't want to explain what he's doing, but it's alright. We're gonna catch him. We're gonna catch him with all the footage. Dante, no way, he opened up the top, people. Let me show you what he did. Opened up the top. So, oil can flow down a little bit easier. Wiggling in and doing things with his belly. He's getting well comfortable over here. Look at that. This is why I like this. It has a built-in funnel. See that? Liquid moly.
That can go.
What? On the O-rings on the filter housing. We'll get the reverse, we'll get the reverse.
That's right. I'm just supposed to do this. I just do it. One tire shop stay open. If they know about the tire shop, they don't come. If they know it's there, they will come. Papi, look how you're willing to be here. You have to stay out just for a night. I'm going to go, man. Papi, there.
I thought about coming to the man over there. But when the store still going.
People have to go in a garbage bag, you know. Time to say goodbye to all the dirty people in my life. If you not like me, you not have to, so it's alright. You not pay my bills, so say what you like. No business about you at all, so goodbye, goodbye, bye, bad mind, goodbye, bye, bad mind, stay away, hey, goodbye. Time for clean out my life, dash with some people. Some friends, all family get deleted too. Enough nigga like me, they no need to. Me no need no friends, me only need few. All my phone I got clean too. Delete contact people me no speak to. It no make sense, me have your phone number with me call. Me can't reach you, so please don't